Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. It's not a watch, so just get that out of the way. It's actually a knife that I bought it at Black Friday, and I received it a while ago. Just haven't gotten around to opening it, so I figured we'll go ahead and get it open today and get it out of the box. I think I ordered just one in this. I made 3 separate orders. They had, actually this might have been a Cyber Monday deal. They had a Black Friday deal, pre-Black Friday, and then this deal here. Every time it kept getting cheaper and cheaper to buy them. So, of course, I had to buy more. But anyway, let's get this out of here. Okay, the other 2 I bought had a, like a canvas, not a canvas, yeah, like a canvas pouch with a little loop on it. This one does not. So this is a ViperTech knife. I thought this was going to be aluminum. The other ones are some kind of zinc metal. They're really heavy. Actually, this one feels lighter, so this may actually be aluminum. Yeah, it feels fairly light. So I'll have to put in the video description what this actually is. Yeah, okay, so this is the black matrix double action out the front D2 steel with the drop point blade. The SKU on that is the GS2-D1004. I'll try and put that in the title in the description. So let's see this thing in action. I'll have to find my other 2 ViperTechs, and then I have a Lightning as well, and do a video comparison. This blade does move a little bit, which is to be expected, but it's not that bad. But I'm not really a knife guy. I bought a few of these. I bought that Lightning, I don't know, 6 months ago, and kind of got addicted to these OTF knives. So I'll just show it side by side here with my, what is this, CRKT Ripple. Actually, I don't have my calipers down here, but I have a tape measure here. I'll just do some quick measurements real quick. So let me go grab that. So it's a little larger than I was expecting. Yeah, I did look at the measurements when I bought it, but anyway. So it's about 5.5 long there, and the blade is about 3.5. And overall, we're looking at about just over 9 inches with this. I guess it's a lanyard loop, and then also might be a glass breaker. If I can take this off or not, probably not. Looks like it retains the clip. But anyway, just a quick unboxing here. If you have any questions, put them in the comment. If you like the video, like it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I do mostly watch content and some random stuff like this. I don't think I'm going to be buying really any more knives. I just wanted to check out these cheaper OTFs. So I'll probably be selling them eventually here. But yeah, let's do this a few more times. Feels nice enough. This clip does stick out quite a bit though. I might catch that on stuff with it in my belt pocket. My pants pocket. So, all right. I think that'll do it. And talk to you guys soon.